Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. In today's video, I just saw on, I think it was British Vogue, but Bimini Bon Boulash just did like, oh no, that was GQ. 10 essentials. I love Bimini Bon Boulash and I love those things anyway. Just like what are some like favorites in people's lives. So I figured I'd do something like that. I will be showing you 10 of my, I wouldn't say essential, 10 of my favorite things that I really just makes me happy and helps with my mentals. First things first, I don't know if you can see, Willem is a very dear friend of mine and somebody that I truly cannot go a day without like watching on YouTube, or he just brings so much joy to me and to my life and to the world. He's funny, he's talented, he gives me inspiration, and I just love everything Willem. So he's usually my backdrop, but I also have leggings with Willem on it. I have candles with him. Willem, if I just look at him and I feel a lot better. So Willem, thank you, I love you. Essential number one, Willem Belai. So this is gonna be like a mix of like clothes and makeup and stuff like that. And food or drinks. One thing that I cannot live without is matcha. Matcha powder, for some reason, I have in my head, if I drink this, at least one glass like every day that I'm doing right for my body. Gives you like a nice steady buzz without the highs and the lows. Very, very good for you. Matcha is one of my essentials. So essential number two, matcha. Essential number three, sounds so stupid. I love secondhand luxury bags, secondhand luxury anything, because I love that it's sustainable. I find that I don't purchase as much when I know that I can just purchase one thing and I'll have it for a really long time. I can resell it. It's a good investment, and it just makes me very happy. So I love purchasing secondhand goods. This is like a Louis Vuitton. The zipper was broken. That's why I got such a good deal on it. So I just got the zipper redone. I bought this, I believe, on the Real Real. Real Real is great for all secondhand luxury goods. I love this. So this is one of them. Oh. This bag, this is from Proenza Schooler, same thing. I think I got this on Fashion File, which is another luxury secondhand shop. I love Proenza Schooler. I love the design, and it pretty much like fits everything. It goes like crossbody, so it's easy to carry, and it's such a good color. I love, love, love luxury secondhand goods. Take a breath. Essential, I think, number 5, The Avengers with Emma Peel especially. This was a British series from the 60s. What I love about this, I usually will have this on in the background when I'm doing my makeup or if I'm cleaning. I can rewatch these over and over and over again. I love the sound of it. I love the theme music, the music in general, the fashion, everything about it. What I love most is that Mrs. Emma Peel was the equal to John Steed, and they went on amazing adventures together. They had so much respect for each other. My dad was a huge fan, so he got me into it. We used to watch it together when I was a kid, and it still continues to this day. So The Avengers, this is the box set, DVD box set. I have this on at all times, so definitely an essential. I think that's essential number 5. Gone to 6. Peanut butter. I'm addicted to peanut butter. I think this is the best taste I could have over everything else. It will be peanut butter, the flavor for me. I'm vegan too, so peanut butter is a great way to get some protein, some sweets. It's still good for you. I try to get the natural. This is Nature's Promise. Put these on Oreo cookies. I put them on oat bars, sandwiches, everything. I love, love, cannot live without ever, ever, ever peanut butter. 7. Berets. I have about 3 hairs on my head. Nothing about me is real. I have a huge forehead, and I mean, it's just something that I'm very self-conscious about. Whenever like wind comes, that's like a total nightmare for me. I love a beret because it just kind of like fits. It keeps your bangs down. It doesn't like flatten everything because it poofs up. And when you get to where your destination is, you can take it off. You fluff up your hair just a little bit and you're fine. Wind is a total nightmare. And this one, this one's just more for fashion. Have I been cutting my head off this entire time? Who doesn't love a shiny hat? Next up, I'm a professional. I have everything just shoved in a bag. Everything essential that I need in life is in this bag. Hoop earrings. These were a gift. I'll link whatever I can. I'll link where I buy my peanut butter in the description box below. These were from Cosmic Jola, I believe it's called. I'm probably butchering the Italian language. I'm so sorry. I wear all different metals together. I'm not superstitious. These are just like a few of the hoops that I have that I've collected and that I absolutely wear every day. Not all at once. Sometimes I wear two at the same time. Like a beautiful diamante. Classic big silver hoop. These are the Hesher hoops. These are from Maya Jewelry. Just so beautiful. But a hoop earring to me is just classic. It looks good on everybody. I can't live without a hoop earring. I don't even know what essential we're up to. 8, 9 collars. Almost done. I love collars. I just think they look so cool with t-shirts or when you dress up. This one is from Zanabane. Such amazing quality. I love Zanabane. I also am not like a huge fan of like my neck. So having like a nice like collar makes me feel a little bit more secure. So these I got, I think, from a pet store. I just buy like dog collars, support women-owned businesses and pet stores. It's maybe 11 essentials. Perfumes. I love to smell good. I was reading Dita Von Teese's, I believe it's Beauty Mark, and she has a whole list of these like bombshell fragrances, and one of them was Magie Noire. I'm butchering the French language as well. This is still available, just smells so classic and beautiful. I don't even know how to describe it. In English, it's Black Magic. Witchy. This one, the Serge Luton, they're so expensive. I got this off of eBay. So if you really, really love bougie fragrances, get them secondhand. I got this one off of eBay. This is 2 years of French. College level. Lansondaire. I'm so sorry. It smells like, it's like a mix of incense and burning wood, fireplace. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it was also limited edition. So I wasn't going to spend the amount of money. They're a lot. And even if I wanted to, I wasn't able to find it. eBay. Okay, we'll do like a 10 essentials plus like a bonus. Sunglasses. I was born with cataracts. Just naturally, it's like a beauty mark inside on the back of my eye. My eye doctor always told me like, it's not really gonna get worse as long as you take care of your eyes. Always wear sunglasses. So I always need sunglasses. These are from Gucci, because again, bougie. And I got these off of The Real. So secondhand and in Bimini Bamboo Lashes, an essential. Drag queens in general, essential. I watch Trixie and Katya every day because no matter what's going on in the world, if I can laugh at the end of the day, I know I'm doing okay. And those people every time make me laugh. So they're not dead. I love drag queens. So anyway, Bimini Bamboo Lash, another drag queen. Like one of their, what's inside the bag was Gucci sunglasses, and they came in a case like this. Oh, so Real discount, and you get cool stuff. All right, so those are my essentials. Not really an essential. Essential is love, happiness, what you think of as success, kindness, courageousness. Those are essentials, but this was just for fun. If you like videos like this, I would love to do more because I have a lot of things that I truly just love. And I love doing videos like this. So leave me a comment. Anything that I can find, I will list in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.